Hey, welcome back, everybody. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I am your host, as always. It's Paul Marley here. So today we are talking about the 5-day challenge from Russell Brunson, right? So I want to talk to you a little bit about what you're going to get and what steps I want you to take to get it, because I want to do the challenge with you, right? I want to come back and actually have this as part of a learning experience for all of us, so that we can interact not just on the daily challenge itself, but also going forward as well. So there's going to be a couple of things you need to do. Now, first off, there's going to be a link in the show notes where I want you to go ahead and click, and that is going to take you, surprisingly enough, to a landing page, right? And it's going to be my landing page here, and I want you to join the challenge, obviously, right? And there's going to be a nice big green button there where you can go ahead and click it, and you can get in and start it off, right? So that's the super easy way to get started. So once you click the button on my page, you're going to ask for your name and put a good email address in. Don't just put random ones in, because you're not going to get the information. And then it's going to take you onto a thank you page, which is basically going to confirm that you are on the list that I'm going to contact about doing the challenge with me as well. And there's going to be another link there where where it says, now you need to click to sign up for Russell's challenge. Click that button. It's going to take you over to the actual sign up page. Now, as we speak, there's only 2 days to go, right? So 2 days, as I'm looking at this right now, 2 days, 39 minutes and 35 seconds. Boom, right? So what is the challenge itself? Well, this is trying to help you to get an extra 10, 100, or even 1,000 new leads per day. Now, Russell's going to go ahead live every day for the next 5 days, starting on Monday. And also as well, one thing I did notice was something really super cool. There is 2 surprise special guests, Rachel Miller and Yara Golden, right? So one of the most important things to do is, like I said, follow that link, which is in the description, the show notes, wherever you see it. Get onto the list so that I can add you into a private group where we are going to go live every day, talk about the content for that day, any questions you might have, any roadblocks, the tech, all that good stuff. We're going to do it together, right? So that's my plan for the next 5 days, starting from Monday, is to do this project with you, okay? Right, and at the end of the day, you're going to get huge value from Russell, and hopefully you're going to get huge value from what I'm doing as well. So that's the simple part of it. Now, I'm going to actually sign up live now so I can tell you what to expect. So there's a nice green button on the sign up page. I click there, I put in my name, I put in my email address. Thankfully, most of this stuff is auto-filled for me, which is cool. And it does say, reiterates again. Russell says, just give me 5 days and I'll show you the exact step-by-step method for generating new leads who are excited to buy from you. Now, doesn't that sound great, right? It does, right? So I'm going to hit the button, join the 5-day lead challenge now. Okay, right. So we are in. It says submitting, very exciting. And there's a video as well. So I think let's play the video and see what Russell's got to tell us.
Hey, this is Russell. I want to thank you so much for registering for the 5-day lead challenge. This is going to be such a fun process for you. It doesn't matter what kind of business you're in. Some of you guys are selling information products. This will help you get more leads. Some of you guys are selling physical products. This will help you get more leads. Some of you guys have a little local brick and mortar store. This will help you get more leads. Some of you guys are network marketing or affiliate marketing. This will help you get more leads. I don't care what kind of business you're in. This challenge is built for you to get unlimited leads coming to you from the internet. It's going to be so much fun. So what I'm doing right now is I want to walk you through what's going to be happening over the next 5 days. You can be prepared, you can be excited, and be ready for some fun. So day number 1, you guys ready for this? Day number 1 is called unlimited leads. This is where I'm going to be showing you guys the process. Okay, here's the structure. Here's how you create something to get unlimited leads coming to you. So this is going to be your foundation. It's going to give you a core understanding of what we're doing, how we're doing it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, day number 2 now. Day number 2. This one is where we're going to be creating your lead magnet, or what we also call your one-pager. So you're creating your lead magnet, your one-pager. This is the tool you do that you create to get people coming in. It's very simple. It's very easy. I got some really cool software I'm going to give you for free that makes this process so simple and so easy to create lead magnets. You guys are going to love it. Then day number 3, after you do that, now we're going to show you guys how to create a very simple type of funnel. This is called a lead squeeze funnel. This is a 2-page funnel. You take your lead magnet, you plug it into your 2-page lead squeeze funnel, and this is the process to get people now coming to you and giving you their contact information, giving you their name, their email, their phone number, whatever contact information you want. And this is where they actually become a lead, which is really cool.
Now I'm just going to jump in there because obviously I'm on the thank you page, so we've got all the important info about the days and the times and what's going to be included and stuff and that as well. But we want to make sure that you don't miss stuff, because I've done these things before and I've missed out and I forgot, or something's got in the way. So he's giving you a few steps here on how to make sure you don't miss out. Well, first off, you want to white label the emails that are coming not only from myself but also from Russell as well. So go ahead, search into your email folders. Obviously, hopefully by the time you see this, it's all going to be set up for you, right? And when you click over to it, you're going to have to go and find, it might be in the junk folder or anything else like that. You want to make sure that you whitelist the emails from me, but also from Russell, so that you don't miss the trainings, right? Simple stuff. And he's got a few other stuff there as well about adding a desktop notification, texting to join his community, and obviously subscribing to his podcast. But if you're listening to this now, subscribe to my podcast anyway, because I'm going to be talking about this over the next week or so anyway. So super important to do that. And let's get back to and hear what Russell's got to say.
Okay, to day number 4, after they become a lead, now what happens to these people? Well, now we have to follow up with them. This is what we call a follow-up funnel. So we're going to walk you through the first 6 emails we send out to a lead when they come into your funnel. What do they say? How do you structure the email? Like, how do you introduce yourself? Like, what are the words in each of the different emails? And this is important because if you don't structure your email sequence correctly, the leads coming in are not going to listen to you, they're not going to buy your products, things like that. If you do it correctly, it's going to build a relationship with them, build a rapport, and they'll keep coming back to you over and over and over again. And then day number 5, after we built all these things out, day number 5, this is a really fun day. This is where we actually launch your lead funnel. This is where we put it out in the world and leads start coming into you. So by the time this 5-day process is over, you should have leads coming to you. Okay, it's not something that's going to be theory. We're going to think about it, talk about it. This is we're actually doing it, where our hands are going to be getting wet, right? Here we're going to learn the strategy. Here we're going to actually build out the lead magnet. And it's going to be done. By the time this is finished, like the day's over, it's done. Okay, and this isn't something that's going to take you 2 or 3 or 5 hours a day. Each of the training sessions is about 30 minutes, and there's about 30 minutes of work. Okay, so it's very simple, very easy. 1 hour a day. The next 5 days, we'll give you a gift. It'll give you a gift that will serve you and your business for the rest of your life. It'll give you the ability to get unlimited leads coming into your world. And when you learn how to do that, you can get leads on demand anytime you want for whatever business you have. If you're an agency, you can do it for other people's businesses. But if you have a business, this is something that should free you forever. So the 5-day lead challenge is fun. You're registered now. You should be getting emails from me. Look for those emails. And so if it went to your junk folder, your spam folder, whatever, make sure you whitelist it. That way you can make sure that you are here. And on top of that, I want to thank you guys again for being part of the 5-day lead challenge. It's going to be so much fun. While you're waiting for day number 1 to start tomorrow, there are a bunch of different things down below. There's 4 things I need you to do, okay? Read the things down below. It's going to make sure you're connected, make sure you're getting the training, the information, all the stuff you need. So that's the game plan, you guys. You excited for the 5-day lead challenge? It's going to be so much fun. I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow for day number 1. Thanks so much, and we'll see you guys soon.
That's great. Now he says tomorrow, obviously we're 2 days out, so it's a little bit premature on that one, but it is super important. And I want to make sure that you are primed and ready for this thing. So if you remember, when you click through on the show notes, right, it's going to take you to the landing page that I put together so you can get on my list to make sure that you can come in and join me live as well after the trainings itself. So we're going to be doing that every day to get your questions answered and all that good stuff. But also as well, once you put your information in there, you're going to get access to Russell Brunson's lead funnel swipe file, right? And if you click that button, that's going to take you through where you can actually download like 106 of his own lead funnels, right? These are the stuff that he uses himself. So it will be incredible if you go ahead and get that, because then you're primed and ready. You've got templates to work from. So you're not just scratching around in the dark. You can go from it right from the get-go and be super cool and awesome with that. Anyway, so that's going to end the podcast for today, and I look forward to speaking to you all again tomorrow.